Hey you guys, welcome back. I just got back this morning. It is like 6 o'clock in the evening now. Look at my collards. I am afraid that they're going to be bitter because they have started to bolt. I've been told my sister to pick them. You guys think she did? Absolutely not. So, and my what is this, broccoli started to bolt. Spinach is about to bolt. Everything is about to bolt. So I want the seeds from this. I'm gonna need y'all help with this because I don't quite understand what I need to do with this stuff. So yeah, when stuff starts to bolt. So I'm gonna try to get the ones that haven't started to bolt and see if they're gonna taste good. We'll see. We shall see. But I don't have a tripod. I'm gonna try to set you guys up, but we'll see. You guys do not know how many times I told my sister to pick all of the kale and also to pick or harvest, whatever you want to call it, all of the collards. I was in Vegas for 3 weeks. My niece had a baby, her first baby. I was over there with my sister and my niece's partner, helping them. It's everyone's first baby. So it's my sister's first grandchild, my first grandniece, and my niece's first child, and so forth. But anyways, like I was saying, I told my sister several times, please pick all of the collards. Please pick all of the kale before it bolts. What am I doing right now? 3 weeks after I've been told my sister to pick everything. I am picking everything myself. She is so hard-headed. She's so hard-headed. And it's so funny, the other day she was on the phone with her friend and she's talking about something. Oh yeah, our garden. I was like, this is not our garden because you do not put any blood, sweat, or tears into this garden. But yeah, I was not happy when I returned and saw all of this. Like, she never said, yeah, she picked it. I just said, hey, can you pick it? And she said, yes, I will pick it. But as you all can see, she did not pick it. Anyways, you guys, so that's just what I'm doing, is picking all of the collards and kale. How do I preserve this? Like, I wanted to freeze it. I haven't started canning or anything just yet, but I wanted to freeze the kale and also the collards, mostly the collards. Like, I'll eat the kale so fast, but I don't eat collards that fast. And the spinach as well, I'll eat it so fast. I didn't harvest a lot of kale, nor did I harvest a lot of spinach, but I did harvest a ton of collards. So I was wondering, what do I do with the collards? Of course, I'll look it up, but I was wondering what you guys typically do. I don't know if I have to like blanch it and then freeze it, because that's what I really want to do. I want to freeze it. And I don't think I can freeze it like fresh. I don't think I can do that. If you guys do that, let me know, and let me know your technique on actually doing that, because I don't want all of my hard work to go to waste. I planted this back in November and it's April, and I am just now picking all of it, and I want to be able to eat it and enjoy all of the hard work I put into actually growing all of this stuff. Now, today is Sunday, April 6th, while I'm doing this voiceover, and I did a lot of things. I did not record myself. I was like, I need to just focus on planting stuff. So the other day, I went and picked up a ton of starter plants at my local garden nursery. I got squash, tomatoes, peppers, watermelon. I don't even know why I picked up watermelon. I don't even know why I picked it. I'm like, I don't even know where I'm going to put that. But anyways, I picked that up. Their plants were only like $2. And I also, today, Sunday, I picked up some 98-cent tomato plants from Home Depot. And they also had flowers for $1.50 as well. So the reason why I didn't record myself is we're supposed to get a lot of rain. It's supposed to just start raining today and into tomorrow. And I didn't know when it was going to start raining. So I wanted to focus on actually potting all of the stuff. But like I was saying, I picked up a lot of plants from the garden nursery, as well as just a few things from Home Depot. I will be showing you guys in just a little bit. I started a lot of seeds before I left. So I started tomatoes, peppers, a whole bunch of flowers, and that's all I can remember. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I started them at my house and I had them under grow lights, and my daughter and my husband were supposed to look at them. Do you guys think they looked at them? Let me know in the comments down below if you think that they actually looked after my plants. Again, I'm about to show you guys in a little bit, but I feel like I can never take a vacation. I didn't really go on vacation. I was just going to help my niece. But I feel like I can never leave again if I truly want to be a gardener. Like, there is no going away from my plants ever again, because when I came back, I was like, I've got to be kidding me. They've been told me ugh, y'all. Anyways, I am thankful that they tried to watch them. They tried to look after them. And I'm also so very thankful that my sister lets me use her yard to actually garden in. But they killing my stuff, y'all. They killing my plants. If I ever do have to or want to like go on vacation or have to go out of the state, out of the country, whatever, I think I will not be gone for that long again. Maybe I'll just leave for like a week max. 3 weeks was stretching it, you guys, because just wait. Just wait until I show you guys the tray of seeds that I started. All right, as you guys can see, I just picked a ton of collards. Now they're probably bitter because I've been told my sister to pick them. Do you guys think she picked them? No. I also picked all of the kale because stuff is starting to bolt. Now I have onions in here as well, but I know that's an onion. I don't know if this is an onion or if it's a weed. Like, I almost pulled it. I'm like, wait a minute. I know this is an onion. Okay. All right, so I guess this is not an onion. Is that safe to... Let me smell it. Okay, yeah, that smells absolutely nothing like an onion. So I'm gonna pull that. So I guess this right here are weeds as well. You guys, if I pull this up and it's an onion, I'm gonna be so sad. Like, what is that? Wait. Nope, that's an onion. Leave it right there, Evita. I think it's an onion. Honestly don't know. Like, I can tell, like, a lot of them look like my green onions that I have at home, but it's these ones that I'm not 100% sure of because they don't look like my green onions that I have at home. Also, can I eat these? Can I just take these off of here and eat them like green onions? Oh yeah, another question I wanted to ask is, do I have to pull these out? This is like from my collards and also from my whatchamacallit, my collards and oh, okay, maybe that isn't one. Oh, anyway, they're from my collards and my kale. Do I have to pull up, like, I guess you call them the base? I was like, if I do that, then I'm gonna disturb like the onions. You guys, I don't know. But we're gonna up pot this into a bigger container. I think I said that in one of my videos. I'm about to pick the spinach, the ones that have not started to bolt. I want to show you guys how they let some of my seedlings die. All right, so these are my zinnias, my thyme, my cilantro, so forth. Oh, my tomatoes. I didn't know that they kill my tomatoes and my peppers. Oh, they make me so mad. Is it too late to start pepper seeds? I think I might have to buy all transplants. Oh my gosh. I can never take a vacation again, obviously. But yeah, they let all of these die. I also wanted to show you guys my carrots. Do carrots take this long? I planted these on March 8th. Today is April 3rd? April 2nd or 3rd, I don't know. Of course, I put it at the beginning of the video, but carrots take this long to actually grow? I mean, like, not to grow, but to like sprout or germinate or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. And then I also, oh, these ones are beets. Oh, see, I thought these were the, when I glanced at them, I thought these were the radishes. All right, so the beets are coming through, but the radishes have already come through. Okay, I'm gonna wait until the 8th because I think the variety that I planted took 30 days. That's what I started doing, is writing it on here to let me know how long it would take. So, oh, what's wrong? What's going on? Okay, never mind. But let me show you guys the strawberries that are doing absolutely nothing. So this weekend, I will be going to buy some hopefully some starter strawberries. We'll see. Oh wait, I don't know if that's like I don't know if this little green thing is just like a weed or what, but I planted these on the 9th and it seems like they're doing nothing. Let's see. Did I put too much straw? I almost said hay. Someone correct me. Like, hey, it's not straw, it's hay. I mean, it's not hay, it's straw. So, but my garlic is doing fine. I have garlic over here, and then I have more strawberries right here. I was trying to, oh wait, is this a strawberry plant? I don't know what strawberries look like when they first come out, so. Or is this just a weed? I feel like it's a weed because I didn't plant any strawberries right there. But you guys, I don't know. Should I just wait and get some transplants and put them on this side and see how they do? You know, that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave these. I'm gonna let those be. And then I'm gonna put some over here that I get some transplants. I don't know. Oh, my sister's trying to get some grass back here. I don't know why she had the chair in this. I still need to take this apart, which totally sucks. I got a lot to do this weekend. Well, when it comes to like getting some transplants and whatnot. I wanted to go get some today, but they closed at 6 and I had somewhere else to go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Another question I have for you guys is, I cut all the leaves off of these so I can actually see. Well, most of the leaves. I cut most of the leaves off of the ones that are starting to bolt. Was that a bad idea? Like, I mean, it's stuck to my hair. Was that a bad idea? I don't know. I won't lie. So, I have a lot of questions I've just asked you guys, huh? Let me know in the comments down below. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and pick this spinach, but I think that is all that I'm gonna say to you guys today. So, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye!